Okay, here we go.
Okay, Mark, here we go. We're gonna do the job here.
You want to tell them a little bit about the engine or what we did, or?
This is a QSB 380 that went poo-poo because it overheated, cracked the exhaust manifold,
Lost the serpentine belt,
cracked the turbo, and during the course of the figuring out what happened up north, they left coolant in the cylinders for at least 3 months without pickling the engine, and the coolant reacted with the aluminum and the housing, the liners, everything, and just totally destroyed the engine internally. So anyway, we bought a new Cummins long block, QSB 5.9, and we swapped everything over. New turbo, new manifold, serviced the aftercooler, serviced everything. The seawater pumped everything, and we're going to go for it. Here we go. Let's turn on the battery again. Little battery switch. Look at that. Of course, we cheated. We'd already started it. And he did 99% of the work. Even looked up how to do it on YouTube. Anyway, he did it, and these are good mechanics. So, yeah, I'm very happy with it. Mark, you're going to like the motor. Everything's good. I think we have a bad alternator.